In this video, I'm going to show you how to change shared wallet funding colors on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins, backed with a lot of different premium features such as an amazing wallet tracker, Twitter tracker, a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills, set your own presets with customized fees, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. So to change basically the shared wallet funding colors, you want to go ahead and click on one of the tokens. I'm going to click on a random one, for example this one. And then over here, you can go ahead and inside holders and you can click on this cogwheel at the top left of the holders panel. And then down at the bottom, it says shared wallet funding colors. Click on that to enable it, and then you can of course change the colors and set the lower and upper limits as well. Then you want to press done, and as you can see, the wallets are gonna get colored. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.